What's going on, YouTubers? We are at Plant Bamboo and we are fitting to get these trucks going. So I got this truck. We're fitting to head to the back, see what we get into. There's James. Let's go see what we get into back there. He's going bumper to bumper. Ford backed up to it. I think the buggy might hook up and help a little bit, but there's a decent crowd here to watch. I think that buggy over there broke a link bar. They got ratchet straps, shit ton of ratchet straps to try to hook it up and hold it at the axle in place. So let's see if we get this one out. If anything, they got a winch. Oh my! He backed in a little too far. There it is. There's bottom. Ford pulling his broke down buggy. I don't know what happened. Let's see when it comes up. We're winching this thing up to that truck. It's moving. Slowly. There's that huge wall, like right there, just in front of it, that they gotta like pull it through pretty much. I think he's doing a wheelie up there. Alright, we got this one. Hook up to the front of this, and they're gonna try and train pull while they winch. Slammed on the brakes. Glittery. Oh, is she fucking in there? That ain't coming out. It's gonna be good. He moved. He's got a pretty big wall behind that rear axle though. It's almost out. I think one more bump. Stuck. Ford's hooked up. It's a Rider and the Chevy. I think they just broke a rope, so they're hooking up a new one. Holy crap. These big trucks are playing today. Look at that bumper in the background again. Oh yeah, that thing is ripping. Everyone out here getting stuck. You got the buggy, you got the rider truck, and then that Ford over there. They're finna V-pull this guy. Get some big trucks out here getting stuck. People still playing. It's gonna be a good one. All right, they got the 2 trucks hooked up. He moved. Stay in there. He's moving though. Holy crap. That thing was in there pretty good. Alright y'all, we out here in the truck. It is fucking stupid. Everyone's getting stuck in shit. We're gonna go find the short bus. I think he's gonna go hit some shit. Patrol out here patrolling for hose. You're gonna do a little recovery on the side. Woo! That stuff's soft. Nice. So yeah, this ground is dumb soft. Oh my. Holy shit. Them tires are caked up. See the axle drag from way back here? God damn. Hell yeah, we got it out. Look how thick this mud is. Woo! Messing up the forces. She's getting dirty. Alright, so here's the update. They got the excavator out here. And the guy hooked up and fucking literally ripped the front axle out from under it. Holy shit. And they were using his Dodge to pull it the other way. Now the excavator literally has to get in there and pick it up. When he should have just done that in the first place. That's fucking crazy. about to cross. There we go. He got the rubber ducky. That's the axle that got ripped out of that buggy that was stuck in this hole. Right there. Woo! Woo! Dragging it out. God damn. Alright, so my phone died. We're back, we got it charged. We're getting ready for the truck pulls and we're headed back. And Jay hits a hole. And his drive shaft falls off. I guess he overflexed the rear end and yeah, slipped out. So we went on a little adventure and I found it. Found it on the trail. But if you look at it, we're gonna have to cut these grooves back in so we can slide this back on and send it. I do not recommend this for anyone, but just for tonight, I think it'll be good. Yeah, U-joints are still good though. Yeah, nice and tight. This thing is covered. There's so much mud everywhere. So we're gonna get this thing fixed up and head to the truck pulls. All right, y'all, we're at the truck pulls. They're getting these things set up. We got two huge trucks behind me.
What's up? You didn't put the
We're getting this thing going. The deuce and a half, dragging them.
Stop it! Brakes!
I think he just broke an axle shaft. Pretty sure he just broke an axle shaft.
Alright. Hold him there.
Got this board on it forces.
Well, I don't know, man. That's awful pretty.
Oh, damn. Broke a U-joint. Oh my. Back in two-wheel drive.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Who's gonna slip first? Oh, there I can't see nothing.
All right, hold it there, hold it there, hold it there, hold it there, hold it there.
Holy fucking shit.
Hold it there, hold it there, hold it there, hold it there.
God damn.
I can't see nothing.
Holy shit. Just smoked the whole thing out.
Hold there, hold there, nobody move.
Oh yeah. There's like nothing left.
They're gone. They're fucking gone. That's right, bitch.
So much for that no smoking policy.
Holy shit. Look at all the tires. Literally.
Who did it? Look at all the rubber.
God damn.
Hey, oh, damn. Shit on his mud truck.
Look, he broke the yoke.
He did the same thing on his mud truck.
He broke the yoke. There's a U-joint cap. God damn. Duramax versus big block. I think it's a Lincoln. Pretty much a Ford. Got a nasty motor in it. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a smoke show for sure. right, y'all. I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, and we got some more projects like the one behind me coming to the channel, and then the deuce and a half. We're gonna get that thing fixed up, and that thing runs pretty good, but we're gonna do some recoveries with that. Maybe even play with it a little bit if we can find some people to pull us out. So stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Check my ducks out. Look at these bad boys. Got 4 of these hoodlums. They're getting pretty big. They're only a couple weeks old. Yeah.